take the other foot and rest it above or below your knee. Never on. Pushing your knee out is not good over time. Now it's okay for trees to sway in the breeze. They do that naturally. But we don't want you falling over.
We're starting the day with yoga again. Waking up at 7 something. This is not my cup of tea, but she really loves this yoga. I'm like still asleep. So we're back in the room. We're done with yoga. We're actually checking out at 11, so we're gonna go have breakfast and then get all our stuff together. Probably put it in the car, or we'll see. And then we're gonna hang out here for like all day, go to the pools and stuff, and just have a great day before we go home. I'm kind of missing my doggies, and I'm hoping the snow isn't too bad, because it's supposed to be snowing a lot in New York right now. All the schools I know they were closed yesterday. I'm not sure about today. I think they might be closed today too, because it was like they were saying like 15, 16 inches. So I don't know how bad it got. I'm gonna miss this fireplace though. This right there was really, really nice. Me and Kennedy actually fell asleep on the floor next to it last night, and I had to move us. Had the pillows like right here. Oh, and I miss it. Oh, you put your sticker on. Let me see. She got the sticker when she was done with yoga. And my camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, there we go. Mama.
Why do yoga give me stickers?
Why does yoga give you stickers? For completing the exercise. It's a reward for finishing something.
What about cards? Why?
Cards? What cards?
Why does she give me cards?
She gave you a card? Let me see. Oh, yesterday, because she wanted to give you something. Yesterday they gave cards, today they gave stickers.
If I do yoga or I sleep,
What?
I get something else.
Well, there's no more yoga, Mama. Today we're leaving.
Leaving?
Yeah, you're talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow we're not going to be here. Yeah. We're going to have to find you yoga classes for kids back home. You like yoga so much. Me too. I want to do yoga too. I really like yoga. Maybe there's a mommy and me yoga we could do. That would be great. Because I would love to do that.
They don't have that.
Maybe they do. Not here. Back home. Someone's refusing to go to breakfast. She's sleepy. My baby, we're hungry. Come on. We're gonna have to check out. And go to swim. I'm getting my tickle finger out. Good morning, my sunshine. Good morning, my sunshine. Good morning, my sunshine. Ah! Your hair is different.
Please.
What'd you do to your hair? Why does it look like that?
Now, please.
I think you should stay like this.
This will not last.
I don't know where it's not a comb, it's a brush, and I don't know where you put it. Oh wait, I used it. Hold on. I used it for Kennedy. It's in here. Our goodies. Here, fix it. Show all those muscles, Etienne. You gotta flex a little. Come on. This is Etienne's exercise routine right here. Oh my god. You missed a spot. We're watching the show again. This is the morning version. I mean, it's the same show in the morning. She was not willing to go to breakfast unless she saw this show. So we're stuck waiting. But it's so cute. Yay, let's get some eggs. juice. She loves that juice. And I loaded up my plate. And look at this wolf paw on the waffle. So cute. This is how Kennedy wanted her waffle. Like diabetes inducing. Enjoy! We are all ready to leave the room. Kennedy fell asleep in the bed while we're packing. I should have let her sleep instead of go to yoga, but she wanted yoga. She's so sleepy. Bye, room. I'm gonna miss you, fireplace. Although she looks really pooped right now, it's because she's been busy having a blast, as I'm sure you'll see, or I'm sure you already saw. We never got to go on that blue ride because she's not tall enough, and there's 2 people minimum. We can't go without each other because somebody has to stay with her, so we're not gonna get to go on that, which is alright. Next time. Here he is with the food! Yay, food! Kennedy is starving. Look, she's ripping it. She's ripping into it. No hesitation. Look how happy. So happy. Salad. Burger. Yeah. Yum. Careful, hot. I may have slightly gone overboard. We got a bucket for us, just us 3, a whole bucket, and there's like lots of goodies inside. Gummy bears, chocolate chip, chocolate chunks. Oh my goodness. But they had a small size and this, and the small was not big enough, so baby, let me upgrade you. Gummy bear.
Why?
Because it's yummy. Yummy, yummy. Kennedy's gonna go back in the pool. And I am done. Our last hurrah in this place because after this we're gonna leave. We wanted to go to their multi-dimensional movie, but she's too short. She has to be at least 40 inches. I think she has 40 inches, which is, I don't know. But, so we're just bowling instead. And having some fun. But I'm ready to go. It's official. I'm ready to go.
We can do it. Go, go, go. Yeah.
Yay! Good job, Mama. What are you doing?
So I can get not tired.
Get not tired? My lazy butt has to sit down because she doesn't want to get tired.